friends, here are top 3 most wanted courses from Google for free. So to learn these courses, you can search Google free courses and then come to this website, free online marketing and career courses. And when you land on this website, click on free courses, free certificate from left side. So here are some courses that can help you earn thousands of dollars per month. So first one is this fundamental of digital marketing. You can learn this course to grow your online business, or you can help others to grow online and then you can earn from them. And second one is, this one is also a good course, understanding the basic of code. And this one, machine learning crash course. You can select load more. So this is also a high demand course which you can learn for free, machine learning crash course. This is of 15 hours long. And then we have Python course also. And this one is also a good course, build your online career. So this one is also a free course, build your online business. You can come to this, click on this to come on this new website, and from here you can learn this course for free. You need to sign in and then you can learn for free. So here are some more courses which you can learn for free. You can see like building AI. This one is also a high demand course. So you can come to this website and then you can check yourself which course is best for you to learn and earn money. Thanks for watching and stay tuned on this channel because more such videos are coming. And click on like button and do any good comment below this video if you like this video. This will help us to create more such content. Thanks for watching.